welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I'm super excited because I have a special guest here. So in my channel, I'm going to do a challenge of me doing my makeup, holding my 8-month-old baby girl, and see how this goes. Have to have your babies 24/7 on your lap or wherever else you do, in the bathroom, somewhere. But if you like this, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this if you guys want to challenge me in other stuff. All right, let's get ready to do my makeup. So I'm going to give her something to hold because she is not going to stay still. Let's begin with the eyebrows. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up. Oh, you guys get to see how I do my eyebrows. All right. So, well, I love this technique that I usually do with my eyebrows. I usually use Elmer's glue. Yes, that's how I usually get it to stay and to let it be a little thicker. What I do is I like to press it down and then I like to press it up. Don't put too much glue because if you put too much, then it'll be sticky and cakey and you don't like residue on your eyebrows. It's not gonna look good on foundation. I tried it and it looked a hot mess. You know what? To make this interesting, I should time this. Should we time this? Let's do this for, let's do 15 minutes. I think that's fair. So you guys, I did it for 15 minutes. So the timer is starting now. So let's see how far I can do in 15 minutes. This is hard, having her on my lap. I really haven't done this in forever because we've been in quarantine lockdown. So when I did my makeup before, she was really small. So what's going on with this? This is like broken. What the heck? It's not good that I'm timing this. Mothers out there, please tell me what you guys do because this is hard. But you know what? To stay beautiful, you gotta do the impossible. Oh, I really, here, play with this. Here, toma, toma. There you go, play with that. Alright guys, so the Elmer glue, it helps me to just shape my eyebrows really quick. Alright, so now I gotta shape up my eyebrows. Oh, I just put concealer on my hair. Ugh. This is hard. Oh my god. All right, let's just use this to trace the outline the eyebrows. You guys that don't have kids, you don't know what's hard work when you have them. Ooh. You're making me hot in here. I'm gonna prime my face with e.l.f. Then I'm gonna spray my sponge with some mist. Then I'm gonna use my NARS foundation. This is in medium dark 1. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And try not to get it on my hair. She is like legit falling down, guys. Let me close this up. Especially trying to time yourself. I time myself for 15 minutes and thinking about that time, guys, is like super scary. Trying to do this with her in my lap and timing it for 15 minutes. I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer that I love. Place that on. This is almost done. Gotta get a new one. I use this a lot. I'm using the L'Oreal foundation stick. I'm going to contour all over my face. Let's begin the blending. But now we're gonna set the eyes. I'm gonna use this. We're gonna contour my cheekbone. And now we're gonna blend everything. You know what I forgot to do? Contour my nose, guys. How did I forget that? All right. And that. Now I'm gonna add some blush. NARS blush. And just put some. Girlfriend. Guys, this is a hard challenge. If you guys want to do this, please tag me in this, because this is hard. Alright, so now I'm going to conceal my eyelids because I'm going to do a little bit of color on my eyelids. Use a sponge. Oh, let's close that. We don't want you to touch that, honey buns. She's getting antsy, guys. Ooh. Alright. She just threw everything in the floor, so now I have to go catch everything. She is so mad right now. She wants to be done. So I'm going to be using Color Rain palette. Something simple, neutral colors, because she ain't gonna let me do nothing crazy. Oh, you want the sponge? Okay, grab the sponge. No. You can't grab the mirror. You can grab the sponge. There you go. So I'm just gonna put this little tan color all over my eyelids. There you go. And I'm gonna put a little bit of brown all over my eyelids too. Give it a little bit of pop. Guys, after I'm done with this, I'm gonna have to clean my whole makeup vanity because she legit throwing everything in the floor. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Surround Sparkle just to give it a little bit of, like, I tried. Mom on the go, you know what I mean? I tried to look a little put together. There you go. Let's get the mascara. Put a little bit of mascara on. Look like I'm awake. Alright guys, so I did that. So now I'm going to put, since we got these little hair bows that me and my daughter are matching, I'm gonna try this new lip gloss and just put a little bit of red on it. Trying to rush and putting the whole lip, the wrong idea, because having her on my hands and can't even fix my lips. It's really complicated, guys. Look, we got this flat brush and we get to fix it. Sponge. I know, we're almost done, baby girl. Alright, we gotta set the face. You want some? Set. Alright guys, so let's see the time. I have 14 seconds and I'm already done. Like, this is crazy. I rushed this makeup. This was really hard, but this is the final look. Oh, you hear the alarm? Just done in 15 minutes. Super hard. This was the hardest challenge I had to do with my baby on my lap. Whoever could do this with a 8-month-old baby on their lap and do their makeup, full face makeup, I'll give it to you, because this was super hard challenge. And if you guys can do this, good for you, because this was hard. I could even put my wing liner that I like to do. I don't even think I blend this face. But if you guys like this, please comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think? I have fun doing this makeup look, and I hope my daughter is not mad at me because I had her sitting on my lap for this long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge, and I hope I made you laugh and my little bundle of joy made you smile. Until next time, bye bye.